Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey Prince, aka Princess of Curls. Thank you again for coming back for another video. Today we're going to talk about all about natural hair rinse out conditioners, why you should be using them, what I think, and also options for you. First, what are rinse out conditioners? So they're basically product that conditions, repairs, moisturizes, hydrates your hair, and we use that after we shampoo. You should be using rinse out conditioners because one, it helps detangle your hair. There's nothing worse than after you shampoo your hair, you cleanse your hair is still tangled, and you just go in straight with your deep conditioner. You should use a product that actually helps detangle your hair. Conditioners, rinse out conditioners help detangle your hair. Now, good ones do. The bad ones, or like the ones that don't have any slip, don't do anything for you. But you need to find a conditioner, a rinse out conditioner that helps detangle your hair, which means it has a lot of slip, a lot of moisture to get through those knots and those tangles that your hair has from the whole week or that the shampoo caused. So that's one reason why you should be using a rinse out. The next reason is because so you don't use that much deep conditioner. Like, you don't need to use a lot of deep conditioner just to detangle your hair. Like, when you deep condition, you should be using that after you rinse out, after you use a rinse out conditioner, okay? So what does that mean? That means treat your deep conditioners like a treatment. Use your deep conditioners outside of the shower. That's what I do for my hair, and that works for me. Disclaimer, okay, what works for you may work for you, but what works for me is what works for me. So I'm sharing with you guys exactly what I do in my regimen and what's been working for me since I've colored my hair, and have been sticking to it since then. So first I shampoo, then I use a rinse out conditioner. I'm going to give you guys options towards the end of this video. Then I apply my deep conditioner. Y'all hear that? It's my central air. Condition, deep condition, style. That's my regimen pretty much. I do pre-poo. Now, if you're not going to condition your hair with a rinse out conditioner, you need to use a pre-poo. So honestly, a pre-poo and a rinse out conditioner serves the same kind of purpose. The one thing that pre-poo is like great to use is because it preps your hair before shampoo, so it's not so harsh on your hair. So a pre-poo is basically like a rinse out conditioner, and you just use that before you shampoo your hair, and it creates like a barrier for your hair so your shampoo doesn't what's what I'm looking for, doesn't strip your hair. If you use a pre-poo, like I just explained, you do not need to use a rinse out conditioner. But if you don't use a pre-poo, you should be using a rinse out conditioner to detangle your hair. Now, you can say, oh, I can use my deep conditioner to detangle. Yes, you can, but if it has slip. Not all deep conditioners have slip. And you know what? I don't mind that. Like, your deep conditioner it could have slip, and it's amazing if it does have slip. But if it doesn't have slip, it doesn't need slip. A deep conditioner is like a treatment that's meant to go outside of the shower. Take your time, do your self-care moment, self-hair moment. Put your deep conditioner in, keep it in for 30 minutes with a plastic cap. That's how a deep conditioner, I believe, should be used. Now, again, that's what I do for my regimen. There's nothing wrong with what you do or what you choose to do with your hair. But for me and my hair, deep conditioners, I treat them as treatments. Conditioners, I treat them as conditioners, and I use them inside the shower after I shampoo. So those are the two main reasons why rinse out conditioners are very important. One, because it detangles and it brings back moisture after you use your shampoo. And the second reason is because you use less deep conditioner if you get a rinse out conditioner. Now, less because deep conditioners are like usually more expensive than actual rinse out conditioner, so you save more money and you use less deep conditioner if you use a regular conditioner. Now I'm going to show you guys the rinse out conditioners that are my favorites. This one is probably a surprise to some people. This is Zoto's Professionals All About Curls. This is their Quench Cream Conditioner Deluxe Moisture. When I tell you this has deluxe moisture, it really does have deluxe moisture. You can literally like feel the tangles melt, and it's so easy, and it applies so well with the water, okay? And it activates great when water is applied, when you're applying it as a conditioner. So I love this as a rinse out. The next one that I really like is Flora and Curls. This is their cream conditioner. I've heard mixed reviews about this brand altogether, but I love this cream conditioner, especially when you use it in the running water. I feel like it's great. It detangles my hair. A good amount of this product, but I still really like it because it gives a lot of slip once it's under running water. The next product that I have to show you guys, Curlsmith, their multitasking conditioner. Honestly, all of Curlsmith's products are top tier when it comes to conditioners. They have a lot of slip. And this is a multitask conditioner. That's why I added it in this clip, because you can use it as a deep conditioner if you want, even though I feel like you shouldn't, because I feel like, you know what I'm saying, like that whole thing about using a deep conditioner in replacement of a rinse out. But you can still use it as anything as you want, a rinse out, a deep conditioner, or a leave-in. I like to use it as a rinse out and as a leave-in conditioner, because I'm like, you know what, it's that good, I can just leave it in for my leave-in conditioner. So this is another favorite of mine. I do have Uncle Funky's Richie Rich hydrating conditioner. I really like the slip on this. The only thing I don't like about this product is the bottle, because sometimes it's hard to like get the product out of this. Right now it's not, because it's still up here, but once I get down here, I know I'm going to be going like this in the shower. So this is definitely a fave, but I do not like the container. Last one that's my ultimate fave right now is Nature's Little Secret Rose Hydrating Conditioner. If y'all can see this, I'm sorry with the lighting. If you're on my Instagram, I rave about this a lot on my stories. I love how this detangles my hair. I've used it many times actually, and there's still a lot left. A little goes a long way, definitely, with this product. You can tell this is my favorite because this is the only one that I'm actually smelling right now, and it smells really well. It smells like rose. Rose is literally a sweet smell, and it detangles so easily. Like, it literally melts your curls. Like, this is probably like one of my best rinse out conditioners I like ever tried. That's really hard to say because I don't want to say that, but it's definitely worth you picking up and trying if you haven't already. So that's the end of my video, you guys. All in all, I think you should be using rinse out conditioners in your regimen. I feel like there's a time and place for it. I feel like it shouldn't be replaced with a deep conditioner, because deep conditioners should be treated as treatments and conditioners should be treated as conditioners in the shower. That's my take on it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment what you guys think about whether you use conditioners, whether you don't, whether you just use a deep conditioner, whether you just skip conditioners altogether, or whether you just pre-poo and don't condition. Let me know. I want to have a conversation in the drop box down below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching all the way to the end of this video, and I'll see you on the next